Okay, hi, David here. We finished with the treatment, and I have to say I'm very pleased with the outcome. You can see. So it was a few weeks, maybe a bit longer, to get it done, but obviously Mark has to get it right. He wants to take his time and do different sessions, and just make sure that I'm happy and he's happy. More importantly, he's perfectionist. But yeah, I'd recommend getting it done. Definitely, I'm happy with the way it's turned out. I feel like a new man in some ways. I feel like more confident about myself. More confident about what people see when they look at me now. So definitely, any guys out there who have that bald issue, or they have any kind of doubts about themselves, come down and see Mark. Even if you want to come down and have a chat, see what else he can do. If you're not into this, maybe something else he can do. Just come down and have a chat with him, and yeah, definitely recommend Micro, definitely. Yeah, that's it. So it's been interesting. Mark's a good man, easy to get along with. He'll make you feel comfortable from day one, and yeah, so all good. Happy. Thank you.